Welcome to this video. In this video of a widget of the week, Flutter widget of the week, we're gonna take a look at container. Here, as you can see, following the Flutter documentation, sorry, this is how to implement it. Where there are so many ways to implement a container based on what you really want to do. Like for example, if you read here, it's a convenient widget that combine common padding, positioning and size or whatsoever, blah blah blah. So there's a lot of way to implement it. So what I just have here to show is very simple. I've just implemented simple widget. It's all my container. I just put some few images, but if I want to add height, I don't want to add height, so as you can see there is height and so on and so forth. Following our documentation, there is height, there is color, there is margin, but here I don't want to do all those things. If you want to add margin, that is margin. If you want to add color, that is color. But in this video, I'm not going to, it's not necessary here. So let me just run the project. It's already running, as you can see. See, I've just laid out this is some Buddha wallpaper photo. I've just put it in a container. So that is it. As you can see, don't worry, when I upload the app on Google Play Store and App Store, you get it from there. So that is how to implement a basic container. So thank you guys for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel and you are new, please do subscribe before you leave to get more updates on Flutter. So until then, see you guys.